wireless airplane wins. If you hit the fan, you automatically win.
All right, here we go. John's up. Here he goes.
Yay! Right here.
All right, here we go. Eric's up. Going against John.
Here.
All right. John wins the first round. All right, John won the first round. And now he goes against James. Here we go. All right, we got James versus John. James is up first. Here he goes.
Yay!
Goes John.
Yay! I'll use it right here. John won. John and James play. John won. James and Eric play now. Oh! Yay!
Here goes James. Whoa! That went over the fan.
James and James won. Okay. James and John play for the finals. James and John are going against each other. James is going for the first throw. Yay! John for the last throw. Yay! We're right here. James and John play for the finals, and James won. Yay! James won! For watching Epic Kids Sports, please like and subscribe.